Hey folks, this is Bruce. I want to tell you a little bit about the Google Nest Protect. Now this is a smoke and carbon monoxide detector, but it is not your grandfather's smoke and carbon monoxide detector because this is a smart device that takes it to the max. It is on steroids. Now what do I mean by that? Well, it hooks up to the Wi-Fi in your home and it will speak to the other carbon monoxide and smoke detectors in your home, and it also connects to an app that you can access on your phone. Now, what does it do for you? Well, if you're at home and you have carbon monoxide detected, it's going to tell you exactly where in the home that carbon monoxide is detected. If you're away from home, it will let you know you have something going on and you can check it out, whether it's with your camera or whether it's by immediately sending emergency services to your home. Now, it is highly recommended that every 10 years you change your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. This has a 10-year life. If you don't know how old your detectors are in your home, I highly recommend that you go out, order these, and get them replaced right away. Now, once you get them in the home, the install is super easy. The connection to the Wi-Fi is super easy. This is a way to assure that your family, your pets in your home are safe on a daily basis.